How to make iPhone say anything when plugged in. So let's get started. You will need the Shortcuts app, which can be reinstalled from the App Store if you no longer have it on a device. Then simply in there head to the automation tab in the Shortcuts app, then hit the plus at the sign to start. On iOS 16 and earlier version, tap create personal automation instead. You need a trigger to run the action. In this case, it's whenever you connect your iPhone to a power source. Scroll down the list of triggers, select charger, then choose one of the following options depending on what you want to achieve. Check if connected or check is disconnected. Check if you want Siri to speak when charging starts and stop. Then change run after confirmation to run immediately so that you don't have to interact with your iPhone to get Siri to speak when plugging your device in. You should also ensure that notify when run is toggled off so nothing appears on the screen except the charging status. Then hit next to process. Now add the speak text action to your automation so that Siri will speak whenever the device is connected to a charger, disconnected from power, or both. If it appears in the get started section, tap it. You can also select new blank automation and search and add speak text from there. In this Speak Text action box, tap the blue text bubble to choose what you want Siri to say when the automation runs. It can be as short as long as you want. Capitalize does not change how Siri speaks, so you can write in upper or lowercase letters. However, punctuation does matter. For example, use commas to create a brief pause or a question mark to make it sound like a question. Tap the play button to review how it will sound. This will allow you to change the voice rate and or pitch until it sounds good to you. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.